The unique geographical characteristics, from the utmost mountainous north to the deepest south, and the perfect climate. Quality accounts for the fertility of the country and the happy smiles on the faces of the people. This is the land of smiles. This is Thailand, the gem of Southeast Asia. Thailand can be reached from every corner of the globe. In addition to the existing spacious and modern airport, a new state-of-the-art air terminal, Suvarnabhumi International Airport, will be opened soon, which will fully enhance the capacity to welcome more tourists who travel into Thailand by more of the world's airlines. By train, starting from Singapore through Malaysia and into the gateway of Thailand in the south. By car, the Asia Highway is convenient for neighbours from Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia and Malaysia. A cruise is also another exciting way to reach Thailand. The gateway to Thailand is open to welcome tourists from all over the world who want to have an unforgettable, once-in-a-lifetime experience. Bangkok, the city of angels, has split personalities. One is that of mystique yet elegance, due to the works of art created by the great masters of centuries ago. The intricate beauty and elegance is still vivid in the temples and religious structures all over the city. The other personality is modernity. Today, Bangkok is progressing to be a center of the business world. The city has been the venue of regional and global conventions and exhibitions with state-of-the-art technology and equipment catering to all levels of requirements. In Bangkok, around Ratanakosin Island, is the old community, part of which are temples, palaces and places of historical and architectural significance. The tourist may feel familiar with sunset at the Temple of Dawn. The picture, however, could not live up to the sight in real life. The martial art, which makes a mark for Thailand, is Muay Thai, Thai boxing. The use of coordinated body parts is the art passed down for generations and thrills both Thais and foreigners just the same. Traditional Thai massage is the physiotherapy, which blends art and science perfectly well together. A la carte or ready-cooked food of all nationalities and tastes await to pamper every palate. Attend classes at the most recognized culinary institutes and bring home recipes from simple yet tasty local dishes up to splendid cordon bleu preparations of Thai food. The puppet show is an exceptional but rare entertainment which demonstrates both skill and perfect coordination. There are also interesting shopping venues after sunset. Since the good old days, when Ayutthaya was the capital of Siam, the central part of Thailand has been rich and fertile. That's why it was the center of civilization and invaluable works of art, traces of which are found in the historical park of Ayutthaya. Thai life in the Central Plains are interrelated with two things: religion and river. It is the two which mold the Thai spirit into beauty and serenity to create precious works of art that stun the world. The Chao Phraya River is always the perfect setting for a meal. It also is the proof of the fertility of the country. Fresh from the river are fish and prawns of astounding sizes. Simply grilled, they are sweet and tasty. Beach lovers will find the endless strips of white beaches along the east coast tempting. Sunbathing, windsurfing, or taking a speedboat to exotic tropical islands are some of the activities to enjoy. Fresh seafood is the way to go. Local fruits are not seasonal anymore. Now, all fruits can be eaten any time of the year. Tourists will find Isan the land of miracles. The unbelievable sight of the sun seen through the 12 entrances of the Phnom Rung sacred structure right at the same moment. The art of rocks and boulders stacked to form sacred structures and chedis. The colored paintings on the rock walls, the telltale signs of a prehistoric age, and the archaeological discoveries preserved for generations to view. Som tam is a special dish originating in Isan. It is known to the world as papaya salad, the julienne of peeled, unripe papaya pounded in the mortar and seasoned well for rounded taste. There are more fun festivals of the region awaiting to thrill and excite visitors. From Isan, tourists can fly up north through the mountain range, through the clouds and soft drapes of mist. Streams zigzag across the land, providing ever-lush greenery to the northern forest with colorful touches of blooming flowers. For tourists, it's wonderful to see. To enjoy the beauty of nature is not enough. Let your tourists experience how the Northerners stick to their good old traditions, ways which have been passed down from one generation to the next up to today. The close relationship between humans and elephants is the magnet that successfully draws people. Lana architecture is still vivid in temples and religious sites. Lana talent display themselves on handicrafts worthy as souvenirs. One tradition which should not be missed is the cantok. A set menu of local food and desserts is arranged stylishly to be a feast both for the eyes and the palate, while ethnic music in the background and a dazzling play are a treat for the spirit. Songkran, or the Water Festival, is the Thai New Year, when all Thais head back to their hometowns to celebrate with their families. No other place can beat the North for this celebration. Awaiting the tourist in the south are thousands of tropical islands, both large and small, with water so clear and tempting. Besides the beauty of nature, travelers can find daring and extreme activities here in the south, such as cliff hanging and canoeing along the coral reefs. Architecture, art and shows of the South could be highlights for tourists. The right combination of talent and experience makes shadow and Nora dances remarkable shows. Spices and the hot taste are the characteristics of southern food. The assortment of raw vegetables served aside is meant to mellow it down. However, seafood fresh from the ocean and cooked in a simple way is already a feast to the palate. Conveniences in all forms have been made ready to give a worry-free travel to tourists.